Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today we're going to use the mini Bowdabra to upcycle your ribbon scraps into a really pretty Mother's Day bow. So let's get started. I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, fold it in half, and just lay it into my mini Bowdabra. And then I have these scraps of ribbon that I've already dovetailed, and I'm just going to lay them right side up into my Bowdabra. Take this one, and I just basically picked ribbons that match. So take any ribbons that you have laying around where you have scraps of ribbon, and you can just lay them into, let's do a loop going this way. I think that might be kind of pretty. And then I'll do a little bow, like do my tails here. And then I'm going to do what we call a scrunchy bow, and I'm literally just going to scrunch a piece of ribbon down the center into my mini Bowdabra, fold it over, and there you go. And then now I have this cute little butterfly which just screams spring to me. And let's just lay that in there. And then I'm going to take my mini Bowdabra wand and scrunch everything down and bring my wire up and just bring the two ends through my slip knot and kind of hold the bow down as I pull it really tight. Bring it out, separate the ends, bring it around to the back. So this is about as simple a bow as you can make, and it doesn't cost you anything because we're just using literally scraps of ribbon. So I'm just going to bring my butterfly around here, bring the end of my butterfly there, just kind of shape that up, bring my ribbon around, and this would actually be really pretty to put on, like for your mom on Mother's Day, on the tray that you bring up to her with her Mother's Day breakfast. And you have a really pretty bow, which can be used in so many different ways. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Thanks so much. See you in the next video.